We are going to put together the weather vane in the box this month. So I'll just show you first how we're going to build the pieces, and then I'll talk to you about what we do outside and how we can attach it to see and learn about wind direction. So you should have 4 pieces, the 2 longer bits. The one that has the hole, the larger hole in the middle, that's your arrow shaft. Okay, to that we're going to hammer and make your arrow shape. I've already got holes in mine because I did it before, but these are going to sit one on the front, one on the back. It doesn't matter which side, you can choose that. And we're going to nail those pieces on to make. So put 2 in each piece so that then it won't swivel. But for the point of this to show you, we've got our point and our back of our arrow, and then in the middle of that we have our hole. So in that hole is where the arrow is going to spin. Okay, so we use the other upright, which has a hole in one end. We push the small side of that pin into that hole and then place the arrow on top. So it's a nice simple setup, and then that should spin nice and freely. We've got 2 holes in the bottom of this piece, so you can use those if you like to attach it to a fence or somewhere on your roof. We're going to use a clamp to attach ours to the roof, which is another way you can do it. You want to put it somewhere that you've got nice open flow of wind, so not too protected, but we'll show you those steps next. Spin. Then with your compass, what you can do is once you've mounted it in the spot, your compass is going to tell you where north, south, east and west are. Use your compass nice and stable and mark north, south, east, west. You can use a pen around here. Mark where it is so that you know when it spins in the wind, okay, where the wind is blowing from. So we've got a nice bit of wind today, and Tim's just going to use a clamp to clamp it up nice and high in the wind. And then that wind can blow the arrow around, and you'll get to see it blowing around and see where the wind is blowing from. So that will tell you what direction the wind's coming from.